I was getting some, getting some. I was getting some, getting some. I was getting some.
My bitch ratchet and savage, yo. Pop it like an automatic. Thick bad and she tatted. Hold up, throw that ass, I'ma grab it. I'm a OJ stab it. She a pill poppin' addict. Mix the perks with the molly. She don't remember what happened. My bitch ratchet.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a ponytail review as well as a style for you all, and this wig was purchased by FreeTress.com. They sent it to me to review. I got to pick it. I decided to pick it because it was a little different from the wigs or ponytails I usually try, so I'm really excited to try it. This is in a 1B. It's a FreeTress drawstring ponytail, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out the packaging. It's so short. I'm gonna open it up. My initial reaction. So once again, jazz water. This is the ponytail style. It's like super short. So this might be just a puff, which this matches my natural hair, so that's fine. It looked longer on the packaging though, like much longer. But we're gonna work with it. We're gonna work with it. We're gonna see. We're gonna make some shake. It feels kinky. It doesn't feel like hard, crunchy, or anything like that, so that's a positive, but it does feel like, you know, texture. It's curly hair, so I do like that. I am gonna pick it out to elongate a little bit, as if it was my natural hair. But yeah, so far so good. It has a drawstring, 2 combs. We gonna work it out. We gonna work it out. So I just took my natural hair, and put it in a high bun, and then I started the picking out process. Now this process took, like I said, 15 minutes. I fast forwarded it from the previous clip, so it looked like it just jumped and it was big, but no sis, this took work. This shit, I was there picking and picking and picking, but I really enjoyed the way it turned out, honestly. So now I'm just securing the drawstring. I forgot to mention I did experience shedding with this ponytail, so that is something that you want to be aware of. So then I pulled out my sideburns and then my kitchen area, and I wet it down and followed up with gel and grease, Let's Jam, just to make it look a little bit more effortless. That was really awkward. I don't know why I did that. Then I took my toothbrush and I sleeked down my edges a little bit. I ain't really been feeling my baby hairs lately, but you know, it is what it is. And I like to pull up the sides and pin them, and I like to get my edges snatched. Y'all, why ain't nobody telling me I got that tag sticking out in the bag?
Yeah, big. Talk your shit.
So I'm finally finished. I still want to pick a little bit more. I've been picking this ponytail for like 15-20 minutes. Like, is there a curl pattern left? I don't know. Okay, I'm about to stop. No? So my final thoughts on this ponytail. Okay, first, once again, this is the Jazz Water FreeTress drawstring ponytail in 1B. No cap. This was a very difficult ponytail style, but I feel like I did this shit. I feel like it looks so good and looks so natural. After I combed it out and stuff, it still has this curl pattern at the end and stuff, but in the middle, you know how like naturals in the middle, they pick their hair out to make it bigger? That really like made it look good. Because just because you get, and I'm gonna reinforce this, just because you get more kinkier hair texture does not mean you have to do anything to it. Don't just take that ponytail out the bag and think that, oh yeah, I'm finna just slap it on my head and go. No, you need to manipulate it still. You need to make it look, you know, like it's coming out of your scalp, not that it was coming out of bag. This low-key looks like Smartista Beauty's hair. I really like it. Like, I didn't think that I was gonna like it when I got it out the bag, and I was like, dang, like, I don't know what I'm doing with this. Like, what I do like about this style is, you know, it's frizzy right here, but it's okay because it's supposed to be a puff. It's supposed to look natural, it's supposed to appear natural, so your hairstyle does not have to be perfect. this is bothering me. See, I'm pulling it and it's getting frizzy. And if you don't really like the frizzy lip, just go in, dip some gel, you know, clean it up a little bit. Clean it up a little bit. So, yeah. And it doesn't have to be perfect. So I did, they're still wet, but I did pull it out because I feel like this is so cute. Oh, now would I buy this personally again? No, I'm not gonna lie. It took too much to get it to where it is now. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Once again, go check out divatress.com. If you do decide, because you saw me finesse it so well, if you do decide that you want to purchase this ponytail, maybe it looks like your hair texture and you don't mind finessing it a little bit, go buy this ponytail. Me personally, the link will be in my description box below. Click on the link and there's some coupons as well